Hey, it's Gene with Dent Repair Now. Today we've got a Fiat 500 in, but we got a big problem. The customer took the car to one of our competitors and this repair did not come out good. Got a couple major issues going on. We're gonna give it all we've got to see if we can't save this panel, but it is ugly. Where they left the repair, what they did in the door jamb, it's just ugly. Again, we're gonna try to save this for this customer. All right, so white can be a difficult color to see damage on, so we're gonna use our light. You can see these creases right there, another crease right there. Back in here is all chewed up. They actually cracked the paint right there. We're gonna get some white touch up and fix that for them while it's in here to try to preserve as much of this factory paint as possible. So that's all terrible work. This is not what paintless dent repair should be when it's finished. What I'm really unhappy about is they drilled a hole in the door jamb and they've distorted the metal. So here and here they actually drove a tool through. They didn't treat anything, so it's actually already starting to rust, and they left the panel a mess. So we're gonna fix the dent. We'll be sure to touch that hole up, put a corrosion protection coating inside the whole panel, save it, and that's it. I'll be back to show you some progress along the way. All right, so one of the hardest things, well, probably the hardest thing we can do with a paintless dent repair is to try to fix someone else's repair. And that's certainly what we're up against here. It's ugly, we've got our hands full. I'll see if we can't show you some progress along the way. All right, so we were partway in through this re-repair. We started at the back, trying to get some natural reflection for you. So we were ugly like in there, all the way back through, and you can see it's really starting to come together. Basically what we have to do is open the damage all the way back up and re-repair it. But now instead of a smooth dent, we've got all these different marks from the previous technician. So stick around, I'll be back to show you some more a little bit later. All right, so we're coming down the home stretch. Got all the nastiness cleaned up. Now we just have to straighten up the rest of these flaws. And I think we've saved this one from having to go to the body shop for that horrible example of what paintless dent repair isn't. All right, I'll be back to show you the finished product. It's polished. There's just a little bit of a wiggle to it is all. It looks great outside. Customer brought some touch up. We're gonna go ahead and touch the bumper up. We've sanded the rust out of that hole they drilled. We're gonna touch that up as well. We've already applied a corrosion coating to it. You can see all those nasty creases were all through right here. It's just the tiniest little wiggle left in the panel. Outside, you can't even see anything. I think the customer's gonna be thrilled to death. Had we got this car first, it really would have been a perfect repair. All right, we got the Fiat all cleaned up, washed off outside, ready to go. Customer's on her way. I'm gonna take you out and show you what the damage looks like under a natural reflection. It came out great, and I know she's gonna love it. All right, so here she is, all cleaned up. You can see we're able to get that body line all the way back. Those crazy shadows from those creases are gone. It really is as close to never happening as we could make it. All right, thanks for watching. If we can help you out with any repairs, please don't hesitate to give us a call or text at the number below. Visit us on the web at dentrepairnow.com. And no matter what, if you've got any kind of dent that you need paintless dent repair for, make sure you're using a qualified, trained professional. You don't want to end up like this car and end up having to pay for the repair twice. And the finished product isn't as nice as if we would have started it on our own. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next video.